In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Excel without losing formatting. If you've spent time perfecting column widths, colors, borders, and number formats in Google Sheets, you want all of that to look the same when you open the file in Microsoft Excel. Here's the cleanest way to do it. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets in your web browser. Take a quick glance at the parts you care about most. Things like bold headers, merge cells, frozen rows, date and currency formats, and any conditional formatting. Knowing what to check later will make it easier to confirm everything carried over correctly. Next, head to the top left corner and click the File menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps all of its export options. From the File menu, move down to Download. You'll see a list of formats you can export to. Choose Microsoft Excel, which saves your sheet as an .xlsx file. This is the format that preserves the most compatibility with Excel while keeping your layout intact. Your browser will download the file to your default downloads folder. If prompted, choose a location you'll remember. You can rename the file if you like, but leave the .xlsx extension as is. That ensures Excel recognizes it and opens it with full support. Now, open the downloaded Excel file in Microsoft Excel. Depending on your security settings, it may open in protected view. If you see a yellow bar, click Enable Editing so Excel fully renders formulas, formatting, and features. Take a moment to review the worksheet. Check that column widths and row heights match, borders and fill colors are intact, fonts appear as expected, and number, date, and currency formats are correct. Conditional formatting rules usually carry over, so try toggling a value to make sure the highlight rules still work. A few quick tips to help your formatting stay consistent. Use widely available fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Verdana to reduce substitutions that can shift your layout. Keep an eye on very large merge cells or complex custom number formats, as those can look slightly different across apps. And if your sheet uses Google-specific functions, the formatting will come through, but certain formulas may need Excel equivalents later. When everything looks good, save the file from Excel so any adjustments are retained in the native format. That's it. Open your sheet, go to File, Download, pick Microsoft Excel, and then open the .xlsx file in Excel to verify your layout. With this method, your formatting should make the trip smoothly every time.